There is a quiet difference between a room that simply holds our things and a room that holds us. When living in smaller spaces, we often fight against boundaries, trying to force grandeur into tight corners. But true comfort does not come from expansion, it arises from subtle geometry. The alignment of light, proportion, and quiet negative space. When a small home is arranged with intention, the eye rests, the shoulders drop, and the room begins to feel whole. We explore how subtle structural harmony and thoughtful restraint can transform a compact home into a deeply restorative sanctuary of grace and ease. A narrow hallway often becomes a dumping ground for the day's friction. Coats, mail, and shoes creating immediate visual noise the moment you step inside. When space is limited, arrives home can feel chaotic rather than comforting. By treating the entry with geometric simplicity, we replace friction with transition. A shallow floating wall console keeps the floor continuous, while a soft warm light guides the eye forward. Restraining what we display at the front door protects our immediate peace of mind, allowing the home to greet us with silence rather than demands. In a small living space, oversized furniture creates visual weight that feels suffocating. We often think cozy means bulky, but true physical ease comes from proportion. A low profile sofa with visible legs permits light to pass underneath, making the room feel whole rather than fragmented. By selecting slim framed armchairs and maintaining clear pathways between seating, we create an environment that feels spacious yet protective. Comfort here is not about overwhelming softness, it is about tailored support and room for breath. When a square footage is precious, a traditional dining room feels like an impossible luxury. Yet, eating in isolation or on the couch robs us of daily ritual. The solution lies in soft geometry. A small round table eliminates harsh corners, allowing movement to flow naturally around it, paired with lightweight chairs that tuck away completely. This small nook becomes a dedicated anchor for quiet breakfasts or evening conversations. It reminds us that grace in daily living does not require vast seating, only intentional focus and warm atmosphere. Compact kitchens can easily feel claustrophobic under the weight of appliances and busy open storage. The key to calm in a small kitchen is visual integration. By choosing flush, warm tone cabinet fonts and concealing small appliances behind pocket doors, the workspace transforms from a stressful area of chores into a quiet backdrop. Countertops remain uncluttered, save for objects of utility and tactile warmth. A solid wood cutting board, a stoneware crock. When utility is restrained, even the smallest kitchen feel composed and generous. A small bedroom should not feel like a cramped box. It should feel like a cozy, protective cocoon. Visual peace here is created through monochromatic layering, using varying shades of cream, oud, and taupe to soften the room's physical boundaries. Instead of bulky nightstands, soft, slender, wall-mounted ledges hold evening essentials without taking up floor space. When the palette remains continuous and tactiles are honest and soft, the small sleeping room ceases to feel restrictive. It becomes a quiet haven, designed purely for deep rest. In a small footprint, the bathroom must serve as more than just a quick, functional space. When space is limited, avoid visual clutter like loud patterns or plastic containers. Uniform stone tiles, concealed shower niches, and soft, indirect lighting create an atmosphere reminiscent of a quiet bathhouse. Surrounding ourselves with natural stone and understated fixtures transforms everyday hygiene into a grounding, private ritual of self-care. In compact living, windows are not merely sources of daylight. They are essential portals that extend the perceived boundary of your interior into the outside world. By keeping window treatments light, translucent, and unencumbered, we invite nature to become an active part of our living space. A shallow bench cushion built along a sill turns an underutilized nook into a reflective haven for morning light and contemplation. Connecting our small interiors to the subtle rhythm of outdoor movement creates a feeling of endless openness. Graceful living is never measured by square footage, soft or expensive furnishing. It is found in the quiet harmony we cultivate when we honor our spatial constraints rather than resist them. When every piece in a small home serves a purpose, carries texture, and respects negative space, home becomes an anchor of calm, soft in a busy world. I hope this exploration inspires you to look at your own small rooms with fresh eyes and gentle restraint. If these reflections brought comfort to your day, please consider subscribing and join our quiet community, liking the video and sharing your thoughts below on how you bring calm geometry into your space. Until next time, take gentle care of your home and yourself.